Improve your vocabulary now. Learn powerful, polite expressions to sound more respectful and confident in any conversation. Let's get started. Requests and asking for permission. Please. Used when asking for something or requesting someone to do something.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Can you please help me with my homework?
Excuse me? Used when interrupting, asking for directions, or needing to pass by someone.
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest bank is?
Excuse me, I didn't mean to bump into you.
Pardon? Used when you didn't hear or understand something.
Pardon? Could you say that again?
The meeting is at 3 p.m.
Pardon? I didn't hear you.
Pardon me. Used to excuse yourself when sneezing, bumping into someone, or needing clarification.
Pardon me. I didn't catch what you said.
You stepped on my foot.
Oh, pardon me. I didn't see you there.
A polite way to accept an offer or request. Yes, please. Used when someone offers you something, such as food, drinks, or assistance, and you want to accept.
Would you like some more tea?
Yes, please. It's delicious.
Can I help you with your bag?
Yes, please. That would be very kind of you.
Showing gratitude and appreciation. Thank you. Used when receiving help, gifts, or kindness from someone.
Thank you for helping me carry these bags.
Hey, thank you for the coffee. That was so nice of you.
I appreciate it. Used when someone helps or supports you.
I will help you carry those boxes to your car.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I finished the report you needed.
That's great. I appreciate it. Thanks for your help.
Thanks a lot, thanks so much, or thank you very much. Common in everyday conversations. When showing appreciation,
I brought you some coffee.
Oh, thanks so much. I really needed this.
I finished your report while you were away.
Wow. Thanks a lot. That saved me so much time.
a polite way to decline an offer or request. No, thank you. Used when someone offers you something, but you do not want it.
Do you need help carrying that bag?
No, thank you. I've got it.
Would you like some more coffee?
No, thank you. I've had enough for today.
responses to thanks or apologies. You're welcome. Used after someone thanks you for something.
Thanks for the coffee.
You're welcome.
Thanks for helping me with my homework.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
No problem. Used in response to thank you or when someone apologizes.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem. Take your time.
Hey, could you help me carry these boxes?
No problem. I'll help you right away.
It's my pleasure. Used in customer service or formal situations when doing something kind.
Thanks for your help.
It's my pleasure.
I really appreciate the gift. It was so thoughtful of you.
It's my pleasure. I'm glad you liked it.
Don't mention it. When someone thanks you, you respond with "don't mention it" to show it was no trouble.
Thanks for the help. Don't mention it.
I appreciate the ride.
Don't mention it.
Anytime. Used informally after someone thanks you, offering help, or saying you're available.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime.
Thanks for helping me find the library.
Anytime. Have a great day.
No worries. When someone apologizes for a small mistake or inconvenience.
Sorry, I'm late.
No worries.
Sorry, I forgot the document.
No worries. I will wait.
That's okay, or it's okay. Used to calm someone, show understanding, or indicate something is not a big issue.
Sorry, I'm late. That's okay.
I interrupted you. Sorry.
It's okay. No problem.
Apologies. Sorry, or I'm sorry. Used when you make a mistake, hurt someone, or interrupt someone.
I'm sorry for being late. The traffic was bad.
Sorry. I didn't mean to step on your foot.
Pardon me? Used to excuse yourself when sneezing, bumping into someone, or needing clarification.
Pardon me. I didn't catch your name. Could you please repeat it?
Pardon me for not replying sooner. I've been busy with work.
Excuse me. Used when interrupting, asking for directions, or needing to pass by someone.
Excuse me. I didn't mean to interrupt your conversation.
Excuse me. I didn't realize I was speaking too loudly. I'm sorry.
Manners and courtesy. After you. Used when entering a room, getting on a bus, or allowing someone to pass first.
After you. You were here first.
You take the seat. After you, I will sit.
Take your time. Used when you want to be considerate and allow someone extra time for a task or decision.
Take your time with the order. I'm in no hurry.
Take your time reviewing the report. We can discuss it later.
Nice to meet you or pleased to meet you. Used in both social and professional settings when introduced to someone new.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
I'm John from class.
Pleased to meet you, John.
Bless you. Used to acknowledge a sneeze as a sign of courtesy.
Achoo!
Bless you. Are you feeling all right?
Enjoy your meal. Said when someone is about to start eating, often by a host, waiter, or dinner companion.
Here's your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Dinner is served. Enjoy your meal, everyone.
Request for information or an update. Let me know. You want someone to share updates or decisions with you.
Let me know if you're free this weekend.
Let me know if you need any help.
Summary. For more videos, click here.